for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capabilities. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, center armrest, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, security alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, Sirius Satellite Radio, technology group, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.